బైబిల్ తెరిచాడు.
బైబిల్ திறந்தார்.
He opened the Bible.
బైబిల్ తెరిచాడు.
பைபிள் திறந்தார்.
He opened the Bible.
చదువుతున్నాడు.
வாசிக்கிறார்.
He's reading.
దేవునికి స్తోత్రం.
கர்த்தருக்கு ஸ்தோத்திரம்.
Praise be to God.
నువ్వు పో మార్గములన్నీ భయంకరము, కఠినమైనవి, భయంకర శ్రమలు అని వాక్యం చదివాడు.
நீ போகிறதான இடமெல்லாம் பயங்கரமான பாடுகள், உபத்திரங்கள்.
All the ways in which you are treading in, it's hardship and full of suffering, he read.
చదివిన వెంటనే హట్ అయిపోయాడు, బైబిల్ మూసేశాడు.
அது வாசித்த உடனே சோர்ந்து போய் பைபிள் மூடி வைத்தார்.
He got hurt as soon as he read and he has closed his Bible.
கர்த்தருடைய பரிசுத்த நாமத்திற்கு ஸ்தோத்திரம்.
Praise be to the holy name of
ఈ సమయంలో కూడా మనం దేవుని యొక్క కృపలో ఉండాలి.
எல்லா சமயத்திலே நாம் கர்த்தருடைய கிருபையிலே இருக்க வேண்டும்.
At each and every time we need to be in the grace of God.
దేవునికి స్తోత్రం.
கர்த்தருக்கு ஸ்தோத்திரம்.
Praise be to God.
ఈ బ్రదర్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అయ్యి సెంటర్ ఫేతంకి వచ్చాడు.
இந்த பிரதர் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆகி சென்டர் ஃபெய்த்தும் வந்திருக்கிறார்.
This brother got transferred and came to Center Faith home.
అక్కడ సెంటర్ మదర్,
அங்க இருக்கிறதான சென்டர் மதர்,
The center mother over there